Welcome, guys, to episode number 6 of how we remodel and build a 49-room hotel here in Miami Beach. Beautiful day today. We start the demolition of the part that is going to be gone to allow a space for the new part. Part is here. As you can see, they are taking off the roof first, and then we're gonna start demolishing the structure to leave a space to be able to do the pile cap that is missing, because we did already, and you saw in last episode, and then keep going up. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell, to have more updates on how we remodel and build this 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.